When the mask mandate takes effect tomorrow, it's also the same day Jill-Karofsky, a Democrat, is being sworn into the state Supreme Court.
And that has many people wondering about the timing of Evers' order. News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe explains.
There is no debate Governor Evers' latest public health emergency is getting people talking.
There shouldn't be anything political about it.
A lot of people say it has to do with the elections and stuff like that.
I think it's being politicized, but mostly I believe it's a very valid health issue.
It's spiking. The virus has all over the United States, so yeah, it's good to have the mask.
So what are local experts saying?
I think that the timing is not a coincidence.
Maybe just a little bit of both. It's primarily a health issue, of course.
Political science professors Anthony Jill-Karofsky and Joe Heim both say politics is getting in the way of the governor's mask mandate.
With Jill-Karofsky joining the court, the majority on the court goes from 5-2 conservative down to 4-3 conservative.
Back in May, the Wisconsin Supreme Court voted by a 4-3 margin to strike down the governor's safer at home order. Brian Hagedorn, a conservative, voted with the liberal justices. However, conservative Daniel Kelly broke the tie. Kelly's seat is being replaced by Karofsky August 1st, the same day Evers' new order goes into effect.
With the previous 5-2 conservative majority, there was zero chance that any mask order by Evers would be maintained.
Jill-Karofsky says Republicans are arguing Evers doesn't have the power to issue a mask order.
Now, that is something that the courts could decide, or the Republicans could come back in the state legislature, vote against Governor Evers' order.
But Evers is declaring his mask mandate as a new public health emergency.
And therefore, he's got 60 days to implement something. And that's kind of the question. I suspect there's at least a 50-50 chance this is all going to be in the courts again.
A recent Associated Press poll shows about 75% of Americans are in favor of people wearing masks in public. 89% of Democrats approve, compared to just 58% of Republicans.
The Republicans are trying to say, we think that masks are fine. We support people wearing masks. But we don't support the governor ordering people to wear masks.
What's disappointing is it's going to end up with a certain amount of uncertainty in the public in the state of Wisconsin.
Regardless of anyone's opinion on Evers' mandate, politics continue to butt heads with health and safety.
This is just another episode in the ongoing and rather vicious struggle between the Republicans in the legislature and the Democratic governor.
This is Tyler Jobe, News 8 Now, La-Crosse.
And Evers' order is scheduled to end on September 28th.